When computers based on integrated circuits or semiconductor chips first hit the market in the 60s, they couldn't do much more than just basic arithmetic, and really they were the size of an entire room. Flash forward 60 years, we have smarter computers that are more sophisticated, energy efficient, and fit right into your back pocket. That's why the semiconducting industry is worth $600 billion and grows every single year. However, this industry is in danger, and that's because as you need to have more progress, these silicon chips need to be thinner and thinner. But silicon, which is the main material used for semiconductors, once you shave it down past 5 nanometers, completely degrades, and it's not really used for much. So that's why companies such as Intel and Samsung are looking to a new classification of semiconductors called transition metal dichalcogenides, but we'll just call them TMDs. TMDs are atomically thin, just 3 atoms in length, and they are able to maintain their electron mobility, and they don't degrade like silicon does. My particular research looks at both layer control and substitutional doping of these TMDs. Doping is similar to adding spices while you're cooking. You are including an intentional impurity in your dish, but it's to alter the flavor of the food for the better. Or in this case, we're altering the electronic band structure of the material. And I don't do this research just so we can have better smartphones in the future, though that would be really sweet. It's mainly because the next generation of electronics can be used to have smart cars with better safety functions. We could use this in the medical field for pacemakers or more accurate cancer detection tools. Or in the future, they could be used as navigation systems for the next space explorations. And so for the next big leap of tech, we have to go atomically small. Thank you.